Welcome to my bake shop. I'm so glad you're here. My friends have ordered some very delicious desserts, and I'll need your help to bake them. There are so many recipes to learn and create. That looks very delicious. Are you ready? Let's bake. And we're open for business. I can't wait to bake with you. We have our first order. Princess Berrykin has ordered a strawberry shortcake. Ready to start baking? Just tap the play button to start. Order up. Let's make sure to bake a delicious strawberry shortcake for Princess Berrykin. Are you ready to bake with me? Great! Shortcake is my favorite! The first step is to mix the dry ingredients. Add the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt to the large bowl. Careful, don't spill! Great job! Now we add the butter. Butter warms to room temperature more quickly when it's cut into cubes. In a separate bowl, add 1 egg and milk. You can tilt or tap to pour. It's always a good idea to use large eggs for baking. Beat the egg and milk together. Almost done! Pour the egg and milk mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Go slowly. Let's add a fun color to our mixture. Tap the bottle to add color. Mix until everything is blended together nicely. We don't want a lumpy dessert. Spread the butter all over the bottom of the pan. Slowly pour the batter into the pan. Now it's time to get the oven ready. That smells delicious! Once the cake has cooled, slice it through the center to make 2 even cakes. When taking a real cake, I love whipped cream, don't you? Spread it on the bottom layer of the cake. Fruit would make this dessert even more tasty. Which one do you like? Now add even more fruit to make your shortcake extra special. You're almost done! Just add some more whipped cream. Yum! Let's add some sprinkles to our dessert. Use your finger to spread them around. Now we can decorate our dessert with lots of delicious decorations. Let's start by adding a little bit of flair. Add as many as you want. Now let's add a fancy figurine. candle. Our dessert will really stand out. And to top it all off, let's add some candy for extra sweetness. Hooray! That looks great! Let's go show it to Princess Berrykin. You did it! Fantastic work! That looks very delicious! Nice job! We filled our first order. Princess Berrykin is going to love this. And you just created this very special recipe. Don't forget to save it so you can make it at home. Whenever you're ready, let's go choose our next dessert to bake. We earned a star! Ooh, we're about to learn how to bake a new dessert. Tap on it and we'll learn the recipe.